Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to quickly dive into this AI app, which is CHATON AI. So we're going to review the important part of this app to see if this app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about the CHATON AI, the CHATON AI app promises access to advanced AI chat with features like writing help, image generation, and multimodal support, which could make it a versatile assistant for creative or research tasks. It's particularly appealing if you are exploring different AI tools and you want one app to test them all. However, user feedback shows various downsides. Many report subscriptions surprises, unreliable response, poor support, and listening that seems misleading. With this issue in mind, CHATON AI is only worth using with caution. Test the free trials carefully, avoid committing to expensive plan upfront, and don't rely on it for critical or professional work. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.